guys, and today me and JoJo are gonna go shopping to we're gonna go to the toy shop in Westfield in Tatena to get some toys for Leah, Maya and JJ and some for JoJo. So today I'm taking over the Siblings channel and we are going on a shopping haul. Whoa! Yeah? Joe, are we going? Yeah? We're gonna go. Let's do this! Joe, where are we?
Mommy.
Toy shop.
Mommy.
Are you toy shop?
Mommy. Mommy.
Yes.
Toy.
Okay, toy. Right, Joe's gonna choose some toys, yeah? Yeah? Okay. Here, Joe, take this with us. Let's go. Let's go look at some toys, Joe. No, not that one. No, not that one. Slime. Where's slime? No, that one. Let's go down there. Let's go look for Power Rangers. Go on. Sorry. I'm so polite. You like that? Where is Power Rangers? That's not Power Rangers. This is one that Daddy can see your lovely trip. You go, yay! Oh, you're so lovely. Look at you, little trolley.
No.
Daddy always missing things, isn't he? Piggy! Oh yeah, that's what you got in there. Do you want to get that one? Should we get a blue one for you? No, it's only pink. No, I don't want to get a pink one. But it's okay, pink's good. Where's Power Rangers? Do you see Power Rangers, JoJo? Whoa, look at these teddies, Joe. Joe, wait, look. Daddy's going to love all of this. You're going to see you walking around and shopping. Sorry. What do you like? What is that? You don't even know what that is. Joe, hey, you don't like that one. Okay, what do you want? Press the button, Joe. What is that, Joe? What is it? Should we get a LOL blanket? Where are the trainers? Hold on, Joe. Wait a second, 1 second. Come here. What do you say? That's not Power Rangers. Joe, look at this. That's not Power Rangers. What do you see? What? Excuse me. Okay, Joe. Put the shoes in the box. Those ones. Get those. Put them in here. Put them in. One. Slowly. Oh my gosh! Not like that. Get the other one. The other one. One more. That one. Green one. Nicely. Another one. Slowly. Put it in. Wait. Okay, that's good. Go, Joe. What do you want to get? Eggy. No, not that one. You need to get the Transformer. Okay. Which one should we get? Joe, which one should we get for them? I'm going to get one of these, I'm not sure. Guys, look at this slime, this is massive. Joe, which one should we get? What slime you want to get? Oh, why are you moaning? Oh, because I put you into the pram, isn't it? That's right. Put JoJo in the pram. Look, monster slime with the eyes. Look at that. Oh, she would like this galaxy slime. Galaxy slime. It's a bit weird, isn't it? It's crazy, guys. I don't even know which one. Which one should I actually get? I don't know. Monster slime. How about the green one? No, I like this one. Scented.
Open.
This one.
Open.
We can't open it yet. Hold that one.
No.
No. Okay, guys, I'm going to go for that. Alright, guys. Wait, look. Oh, shit. Unicorn. How is that a unicorn? I don't get it. Do you get it? I don't get it. Joe, Play-Doh time, come. Let's go. Woo! JoeJoe. Play-Doh, let's go get Play-Doh. Careful, this way. This way. Woo! Slowly, Joe. Daddy's gonna love watching you. Sad. Oh, Joe. Here, Play-Doh. Yes. Look here, look. Joe, Play-Doh. Come pick. That is awesome. Go, Joe. Put it in. Put it inside. Put it in. You're so cute. Go on. Yeah, I'll help you. Put it inside. Put it in, trolley. Put it in. Yes. So let me help you, look. Whoa. No. I'm going to put it in this one. Oh, you want to hold it? It's so cute. JoeJoe, put it inside here. Look, put it this way. Look, put it here. This bit here. Put it here. Come on. Sorry, I don't want to. No, I'm just making you. You've got to pay for that. Joe. You've got to pay for it, Joe. You're doing a runner. That's all you ever do, boy. Play-Doh. What are you going to get then? Play-Doh. So, guys, we are nearly finished. Just getting a couple of things. JoeJoe's done quite well, but I think he's tired now. Say bye-bye, Joe.
Bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.
See you. We should make Christmas.